2015 SRX. The Cadillac SRX is beautiful from every angle. For driving enthusiasts, there's track-tuned handling, advanced engine power, and the added confidence of available all-wheel drive. Luxury lovers will delight in the new stylish handcrafted cabin. And for technology lovers, the list of high-tech features is just too long to list. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, keyless entry, heated seats, OnStar, Bose sound system, backup camera, stability control, traction control, dual airbags, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.